Commander, our position has been discovered. As of 2 hours ago, a large Confederate strike force arrived on Antigua Prime and established a base camp within our defensive perimeter. Arcturus Mengsk is calling a meeting.
Greetings. I know you're all concerned about the Confederate strike force. But first, we have a grave matter to discuss. It seems our data disks didn't hold weapon designs after all. Lieutenant Kerrigan will explain.
You all know that the Confederates run a program for psychically gifted humans, training them to be ghosts. Those running the program found that the Zerg are attuned to the psychic emanations of ghosts.
So the Zerg are here for you, darling? This keeps getting better and better.
Shut up. There's been a lot of secret Confederate research surrounding ghosts and the Zerg. What we stole was a small but critical piece of the puzzle. Designs for a transplanar psionic waveform emitter. The emitters broadcast the neural imprint of a ghost, but at a much greater magnitude. These things reach across worlds.
The Confederacy used these psi emitters to lure the Zerg into isolated containment areas. Your colony, Mars-Sara Commander, was one such location.
What are you saying?
I'm saying the Zerg are a secret weapon developed by the Confederacy. I'm saying you were all subjects of a Confederate weapons test. Just as they destroyed Core Hall with nuclear weapons to establish dominance a generation ago, they would use the Zerg to put an end to their other rivals. Only this time there'd be no outrage. Who could suspect the aliens were their creation? No, they'd be lauded as heroes for coming in and destroying the Zerg. It's time the Confederacy paid for its crimes, and I know just the way. Lieutenant Kerrigan is going to plant an emitter at the Confederate base camp. Commander, you will provide her with an escort. When the Zerg arrive, they'll break the blockade for us and we'll make our escape. Now, get moving.
I'm having doubts about this, Arcturus. I just don't think anyone deserves to have the Zerg unleashed on them.
I know you have personal feelings about this, but you can't let your past cloud your judgment. Carry out your orders, Lieutenant.
Yes, sir. I'm waiting on
Your
you.
forces are under attack.
Commander, let's move.
SCV good to go, sir.
Give me something to shoot.
Yeah? What do you want?
I'm ready.
Jacked up and good to go.
Landing sequence interrupted.
SCV good to go.
Base is
I'm
under
waiting on
attack.
you. I'm waiting on you.
Orders, Captain? I read you. Affirmative. Right away, sir.
Lieutenant Kerrigan reporting.
Standing by. Let's move.
What now?
Orders, Captain? Yes, sir. Orders received. Right away, sir. Roger that. Orders,
Base
Captain?
is under attack.
Lieutenant Kerrigan reporting.
Transmit orders. SCV good to go, sir.
I'm waiting on you.
I read you.
Standing by. Rock and roll.
Insufficient Vespine gas.
SCV good to go, sir. Job right away, sir.
Jacked up and good to go.
Receiving headquarters. Transmit
I'm waiting
orders.
on you.
SCV good to go, sir.
Insufficient Vespine gas.
Reporting for duty.
Transmit
I'm ready.
orders. Let's roll. Commencing.
Lieutenant Kerrigan
We have
reporting.
you on visual. Affirmative, sir.
I'm waiting on you.
Yeah.
SCV good to go, sir.
Receiving headquarters.
Reporting for duty. Yes, sir.
We have you on visual.
Standing by. Let's move.
SCV good to go, Right away, sir. Roger that. Affirmative. SCV good
Not
to go,
enough
sir.
I'm
minerals.
waiting on you. I read you.
Yes, sir.
I'm ready.
Not enough minerals.
Yes, sir.
Base is under attack.
SCV good to go,
I'm
sir.
ready. It'd be a pleasure.
Have you on visual?
Yes, sir.
Receiving
for duty.
headquarters.
It'd be a pleasure. I read you. Thinking the same thing.
I read you. SCV good to go, sir.
Lieutenant Kerrigan reporting.
We have you
I
on
read you.
visual. Transmit orders.
Orders, Captain.
Not enough minerals.
Roger
I'm
that.
waiting on you.
SCV good to go, sir.
What now?
Reporting for duty. Orders received.
I'm ready.
Yes, sir. Affirmative. Roger that. SCV good to go, sir. Reporting for duty. Orders, Captain.
Lieutenant
Job
Kerrigan
finished.
reporting.
Yes, sir. Right away, sir. Roger that. Right away, sir. Job's finished. Orders received. Yes, sir.
What
Your
now?
forces are under attack.
Commander, let's move.
SCV good to go, sir.
Jacked up. Here you go. Give me some of this shit.
I read you, sir.
Jacked up.
SCV good to go, sir.
Commander.
Yeah?
Greetings, Command.
What do you want?
We have you on visual. Transmit orders.
Right away, sir. Yes, sir.
What
Transmit
now?
orders.
I read you.
Transmit orders.
SCV good to go, sir. Job's finished. Reporting for duty. I can't build. Roger that. Reporting for duty.
I read you, sir.
We have you on visual.
Not enough minerals.
Reporting for duty.
Not enough minerals.
Affirmative. Reporting for duty.
Lieutenant Kerrigan reporting. I read you.
Transmit orders.
All right, bring it
Piece of
on.
me, boy.
Job's
Give me
finished.
some of this shoot. Let's move.
I read you,
Standing by.
sir.
Yes, sir. Orders received. Orders, Captain. Right away, sir.
Yeah?
Job's finished.
Receiving headquarters.
Add-on complete.
Job's finished.
All right, bring it
On
on.
visual. Greetings,
Job's
Command.
finished.
I read you, sir.
Reporting for duty.
What do you want?
Orders, Captain.
What do you want?
Not enough minerals.
Transmit orders. Give me some of this shoot, Commander.
Ready to roll out.
Not enough
SCV good
minerals.
to go, sir.
I did.
SCV good to go, sir.
Add-on complete.
Yes, sir.
Transmit orders.
Not enough minerals.
Job's finished. Reporting for duty.
Research complete.
SCV good to go, sir. Affirmative.
Orders, sir. Yes, sir.
I read you.
Identify target. Delighted to, sir. All right, bring it on.
SCV good to go, sir. I read you. I read you. Orders, Captain. Orders received.
We have you on visual.
All right, bring it on.
SCV good to go, sir. I read you. Roger that.
Your forces are under
Destination.
attack.
Something
Add-on
on your
complete.
mind? Orders, sir.
Orders, Captain.
Identify
SCV
target,
good to go,
sir.
sir. Job's finished.
We have you on visual.
Not enough
I
minerals.
read you.
What do you want? At destination.
Orders, Captain. Roger that.
Your
Ready to
forces are
roll
under
out.
Orders,
attack.
Captain.
Yes,
I read
Your
you.
forces are under attack.
Yes, sir.
Ready to roll out.
Not
Orders,
enough
sir.
minerals.
Proceeding.
Commander. Commander.
Identify target. Moving. Proceeding.
I
Destination.
read you. Affirmative.
Yes, sir. Identify target. Something on your mind?
Reporting for duty. Job finished.
Identify target. Yeah. Ready to roll out. Destination. What do you want?
Transmit orders.
I'm waiting on you.
Yes, sir. Orders received.
All right. Bring it on. Destination.
Job finished.
I
Not
read
enough
you,
minerals.
sir.
Reporting for duty.
Not enough
sir.
minerals.
Job finished.
Ready to roll out. Identify target. Absolutely. Destination. Bring it on. Yes, sir. Destination. Absolutely.
I read you. Affirmative.
Commander, let's move.
Job
Outstanding.
finished.
Something on your mind? Yes, sir.
Add-on complete.
Standing by.
Your forces are under
Reporting for
attack.
duty. Job finished. Reporting for duty.
Ready to roll out.
Go, go,
What do you
go.
want? I did. Yes, sir.
Job finished.
I read you, sir. Yes, sir, sir. Destination. Destination. Delighted to, sir. Orders, sir.
Job finished.
Receiving. I read you. Destination. Delighted to, sir. Identify something on your mind. I dig.
I'm waiting on you. I read you.
Upgrade complete.
Orders received.
Identify target and roll out.
Orders, Captain. I read you.
Yeah. Destination. Yes, sir. Destination. Orders, sir. Orders, sir. Delighted to destination. Yes, sir. Absolutely. I dig. Yes, sir. Destination. Absolutely. Yes, sir. Ready to roll out. Proceed. Identify target. I read you, sir. Orders, sir. Destination. Proceed. Yes, sir. Destination. Proceed. Something on your mind? Orders, sir. Orders, sir. Moving. Destination. Moving. What do you want? Identify target. Delighted. Something on your mind? Proceed. Receiving headquarters. Let's roll. I reach you, sir. Something on your mind?
Your forces are under attack.
Absolutely. Identify target. Yeah. Proceed. Orders, sir. Moving.
Your forces are under attack.
Delighted to, sir. Orders, sir.
Orders received.
No problem. Moving.
Your forces are under attack.
Something on your mind?
SCP good to go, sir. Affirmative.
Ready to roll
Orders
out.
received.
Destination. Identify target. Absolutely. Delighted to, sir.
I read you.
What now?
All right.
I
Bring it
gotcha.
on.
It'd be a
Reporting for
pleasure.
duty.
What do you want? Destination. Moving. Orders, sir. Identify target. Something on your mind? Orders, sir. Yes, sir. Orders, sir. All right.
Your forces are under attack.
Absolutely. Identify target. Orders, sir. Destination? Absolutely. Destination?
Receiving headquarters.
I read you.
Yes, sir. Moving. Yes, sir. Moving. Yes, sir. Destination? Identify target. Elected to, sir. Moving.
Your forces are under attack.
Greetings, Command.
Moving. Proceeding. Absolutely. All right. Bring it on. Yes, sir. Identify target. Destination. Absolutely.
Your forces
I
are
read
under
you. I
attack.
can't build there. Reporting for duty. Roger that. Orders received. Orders, Captain. I read you. Reporting for duty.
Yeah. Identify target.
Let's roll.
Yes, sir. Delighted to, sir.
Goliath online.
Identify target. Ready to roll out. Yes, sir. Orders, sir. Yes, sir.
Your forces are under
I
attack.
read you. Affirmative.
Moving. All right. Identify target.
Affirmative.
Destination.
Affirmative, sir.
Identify target. Moving. Yes, sir. Absolutely.
We have you on visual.
Identify target. Ready to roll out. Proceeding. I read you, sir. No problem.
Job finished.
Is that it? Identify target.
Your forces are under attack.
Proceeding. Bring it on. I read you, sir.
Greetings, Command.
Comlink online. Target designated.
Ready to roll out.
Orders, Captain.
Ready to roll out.
Reporting for duty. Yes, sir. Affirmative. Orders, Captain. Right away, sir. Orders
Your
received.
forces are under attack.
Greetings, Command. Commencing. Affirmative, sir.
Destination? Yeah. Destination? Proceeding. Delighted to, sir. What do you want? Destination?
Your forces are under attack.
Job finished. Reporting for duty. Yes, sir. Reporting for duty. Yes, sir.
Channel open.
Destination? Orders, sir. Delighted to, sir.
Reporting for duty.
Goliath online.
Ready to roll out. Yes, sir. Moving. Orders, sir.
Your forces are under attack.
Delighted to, sir. What do you want? Yeah, I'm going. Destination? Absolutely. Destination? Proceeding. What do you want?
Comlink online. Go ahead, TACOM. Comlink
Yeah?
online.
Destination? Proceeding.
Comlink online.
Destination? Yeah?
Channel open.
Yes, sir. Orders, Captain. Orders received. Affirmative. Roger that.
Yes, sir.
Goliath online.
Yes, sir.
Identify target. I read you, sir. Yeah, I'm going. Destination?
Comlink online. Confirmed.
What do you want?
Your forces are under attack.
Yes, sir.
Identify
I
target.
read you. Job's finished.
Receiving headquarters.
Identify target. Absolutely.
Your forces are under attack.
Identify target. What do you want? No problem. Identify target. Delighted to, sir. Yeah?
Go ahead, TACOM.
Your forces are under attack.
Affirmative, sir.
Identify target.
Something on your mind? Yeah, I'm going. Jacked up and good to
Reporting for
I'm
duty.
waiting on you. I gotcha.
Destination? Move it. Absolutely.
Calling online. Go ahead, Terran.
I read you.
What diameter in place? Just promise me we'll never do anything like this again.
We will do whatever it takes to save humanity. Our responsibility is too great to do any less.